Presenting the Toyota 2017 Corolla LE. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include rear-view camera, rear-view monitor and dash, steering wheel mounted controls, voice recognition controls, phone hands-free, stability control, electronic messaging assistance with read function, driver information system, lane deviation sensors and multi-function display. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.